Hello. This week I learned about error detection techniques, software testing, verification and validation, and software quality assurance in software engineering. First of all, the lecturer explained that error detection techniques are methods used to identify defects, faults, and bugs in software system before the software is released to the user. These techniques are very important because they help developers improve software reliability, reduce failures, and maintain software quality. One major technique discussed in class was testing. Testing means executing software in a controlled environment to check whether the output matches the expected results. Testing helps identify problems and ensures that the software behaves correctly under different situations. The lecture also introduced test driven development or TDD. In TDD, developers write unit test cases before writing the actual code. The process involves writing a test case, checking whether it fails, modifying the code so it succeeds, rerunning tests, and finally refactoring the code. This approach helps developers build software step by step while continuously verifying correctness. Another important topic was inspections and reviews. Reviews involve people reading and analyzing documents or code to detect defects. Walkthroughs happen when the author explains the software or document to a group of people for feedback. Software inspection are more formal reviews focused on finding defects systematically. The lecturer also explained formal methods, which use mathematical techniques to prove that software conforms to specifications. However, formal methods are difficult because they require advanced mathematical skills and are not suitable for all systems. Static analysis was another technique covered in the class. Static analysis examines source code or software design without running the program. It helps detect error prone conditions such as poor cohesion and high coupling. Automated tools are commonly used for static analysis. Another major topic this week was verification and validation. Verification checks whether the software is being developed correctly according to requirements and specifications. In simple words, verification asks if we are building the product correctly. Example include inspections, walkthrough, unit testing, and reviews. Validation is different because it checks whether the final software satisfy um, you know user needs and business requirements. Validations ask if we are building the correct product. Examples include acceptance testing, system testing, alpha testing, and beta testing. One important thing I learned is that software can still fail even if it works technically because it may not satisfy user satisfactions or their expectations. That is why both verification and validation are essential in software engineering. I can directly link these concepts to my software engineering project. During development, verification techniques can help us to review requirements, check UML diagrams, inspect code, and test individual components to ensure that they conform to specification. Validation can be applied when testing the completed system with user to ensure the software user friendly, satisfy business requirement, and provides a good user experience. For example, if our project is a web-based system, verification helps to ensure the code, database, and functionality are implemented correctly, while validation ensures that user can successfully use the system and achieve their goals efficiently. Overall, this week helped me better understand software quality assurance, software testing, and how developers reduce risk and improve software reliability in real world systems. Thank you.